Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make poached scrambled eggs, easy method. Whisk eggs with a pinch of salt and a splash of water, then preheat a wide nonstick pan to low-medium heat. Pour eggs in and let them gently set, stirring slowly to form soft curds. Keep the heat low and be patient for creamy texture. Finish with butter or herbs and serve immediately for best flavor. Start by whisking eggs with a tablespoon of water for every 2 eggs until slightly frothy, which helps steam and fluff them gently. Heat a wide nonstick pan on low-medium and add a little oil or butter to coat the surface. Pour the eggs in and wait a few seconds before stirring slowly with a spatula, scraping the pan so curds form evenly. Remove when still slightly glossy and finish with butter and herbs. Use fresh eggs and a wide pan so the eggs cook evenly and you get large, tender curds rather than tiny, rubbery bits. Keep the heat low and stir slowly, allowing steam to gently set the eggs. This is the key to silky texture. Taste and season lightly with salt, add a knob of butter or cream at the end for gloss, and serve immediately to enjoy the best mouthfeel and flavor possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.